raining non-stop today, guys, but I got new seasoning and we're cooking on the indoor grill. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody, and like I said in my opening, yeah, it's been pouring down rain all day long, but that's not going to stop us. I got the Chefman indoor grill set up in here, and we're going to try out some new seasoning I just got in. Bought some the Malcom Reed's Jammin Jerk Caribean Seasoning. He's got some new stuff going on, and I bought 3 of them. We've got some wings here cut up, and we're gonna try this out on. I'm not doing much to them, just this seasoning, and I don't want to see what this stuff tastes like. So let's get going, guys. As always, let's get our water pan filled up. Carefully put it in place. Then and only then plug it in, and we're going to preheat this to about medium high. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to get that heated up. Okay, and as I said before, I don't know if I can get a good shot of that. This is the How to Barbecue Right. This is their Malcom's Jammin Jerk. It smells amazing, guys. I cannot wait to try this on the chicken. Wow, I don't even know how to describe that. It's definitely got a Caribbean smell to it. Let's see how it goes. I don't plan on glazing these at all, to be honest with you. I want to taste the flavor of those wings. Alright, we'll let these guys chill out while this thing heats up, and we're gonna get to cooking. Alright, the question is, will they all fit? I've done it before. This is roughly 4 pounds of chicken, and it is a tight squeeze. It's a little over 4 pounds before I trimmed them up, so maybe slightly under 4 now. We'll be moving them quite a bit. God, this smell is off the charts. I don't know if we're going to be able to get them all on there or not, folks. It ain't going to happen. We're going to cook these up in batches. Wow, it must have been a smaller batch I did last time on here. Sorry guys, we're going to cook this up in a couple batches, and we're just going to let them go. I estimated it to take probably about 20-30 minutes. Give these things a turn and see where we're at. Oh yeah. Starting to get a little char on the skin, which is what I want. Very nice. We'll be back in a bit. I'll give these guys a turn. We'll have to start moving some around. This grill, like any of them, has hot spots. My wife and I were sitting there debating the flavors in here. She actually went and read the ingredients. Imagine that. I kept smelling cloves or cinnamon or something here. Turns out both is in this. We're getting close on this first batch, guys. Then come think about it, cooking wings is really just kind of boring. All you do is check temps and turn. A lot of these flats are starting to get done here, so I'm kind of pulling them back over here into a cooler area of the grill. All good. Oh yeah, Some of these are coming off. I'm gonna get my family fed, guys. I'm gonna cook up the rest of them, and I'll come back for a taste test when everything's said and done. Okay, while these other wings are over here finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and give these ones that's already cooked a taste for you. Look at that, guys. Look how crisp that got. The skin is near perfect. I can't wait. All right, I got some ranch dressing over here, but I'm gonna try this without it first. Wow. That flavor is very unique. There's not heat there. There is a bite. There's definitely a bite. The cinnamon, the cloves, I forget what else is in there. But yeah, that's tasty. Malcolm, I think you nailed that. That is different. I was expecting a little bit more heat, and there's not. But it's definitely got a Caribbean feel to it. So guys, I'm going to try another piece here with some ranch, which is my go-to. Oh yeah, ranch goes on all wings.
I like wings.
Ethan likes ranch too. Guys, thank you so much. It rained literally all day today, and I wanted to do something out on the grill, but that was just not gonna happen. So back to the Chefman grill. It is what it is. Turned out great. It's a great little grill. I mean, when you can't get outside, I use it.
I like wings.
I use it whenever I can. So guys, thank you. God bless you. Please give us a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to us. It helps us out a lot. And folks, we'll see you on the next video. So God bless you. Bye-bye.